Page 26, Happy Birthday. This happy birthday song sung in this country and a lot of countries around. Not every country uses it, but it's a number of them. So let's look it over. It's 3 lines long. Treble and bass clef signs again. Now it's 3/4 time signature. There's only 3 counts in a measure instead of 4. And I see quarter notes and 1/8 notes, half notes. Okay, so we got to count 1 and 2 and 3 and. Right hand, well, now on this, the hands are just playing one at a time. To shorten the video, I'm going to take both hands together. The right hand starts here. That puts your hand here. The left hand has 4th finger on G. That puts the hand here. So we're still in middle C position. And it's 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2. And now you know the song. And 2 and. So I go through and I play the whole piece like this to make sure I got it. And I get rid of any hesitations. And I can play this without looking at the keyboard eventually. Then I think about the articulation. I'm going to lift up between these curved lines. Lift up. Just a little, like taking a breath. Lift up. Lift up. Just lifting up. And then I add the dynamics. MF at the beginning is mezzo forte or sort of loud. Whatever that is. It's not loud, just sort of loud, I guess. And that's the whole thing. Okay. And then the speed. This is happy. That depends on the mood I'm in as to how happy the birthday's going to be. It's some people, how fast you do this. Forget the first little bit is just like an introduction. The song starts where the words are. However fast that is, that's your speed. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, and 3, 4 times is just the first beat of the measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. But here, 1, 2, 1, and then here, go to here. Feel it. 1, 2, feel these. I'm exaggerating them so you can hear them better, but you just want to feel them. To sing it, you go ahead. I don't sing in the videos, but you can sing all you want to. You just insert the name there at the beginning of the last line of whoever's birthday it is. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. This is after you've learned it. Don't use the play with me to try and learn it. Learn it first and check it with the play with me. I'll give us 3 counts because there's only 3 beats in a measure. 1, ready and go, and 1 and 2, 1 and 4 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, rest. There's a duet for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. You play what you just played. We're going to go a little faster, and I need you to go up on the keyboard. So just pretend middle C on the keyboard. Instead of here, pretend that middle C is up here. And instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. Like that. Not that fast, but play it there. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go.